Look at that. This is actually a super simple salad. 1 cup of olive oil, 1½ large lemons squeezed. It's about a ½ cup. 4 cloves of garlic, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Put everything in a bowl, whisk it together. There's your dressing. Makes about 1.5 cups of dressing. We use all organic ingredients, so it's the most simple, the most basic dressing you can get, and it's delicious. Not to mention it's healthy for you. All we did was chop up some cucumbers, some parsley, and some lettuce, and a little tomato and a hint of onion. This wild-caught salmon, baked on 350 in a pan in the oven, that was it. Put it on top of your plate. And it's time to enjoy. Wow. The dressing is incredible. And the salmon, perfect. These crunchy, organic pieces of lettuce and tomato, you've got to try this.